Hey, we're here at our 3-acre acreage property that's for sale. The property's located about 45 minutes from West Des Moines. It's 2667 280th Street in Exira. Let's come check it out. One of the best features of this farmhouse, it's the oversized 3-stall attached garage. As you enter in, this is pretty much just like a dream for a property here. This is oversized 3-stall attached garage, but what's awesome about this feature is that it's attached and it's heated as well. We'll progress now over to the mudroom. As you come into here, you'll see that you got main floor laundry, then you got great closet space, then you have additional closet space here. And then what's awesome, additionally, you have a pantry slash mudroom as well here. You'll notice throughout this property is that it has much of the historic charm still intact, but a lot of modern amenities. As you'll see here in the kitchen, you have all the appliances are included. And then additionally, you have your eat-in area as well. We'll progress to the first living room. Great space overall. You got the original hardwood floors in this room here. It's huge. Great windows that allows natural light. Right here, this is access to the basement. Basement is a good area for storage where the mechanicals are located as well. Then additionally, if there's crazy storms outside, you got a basement here. On the front, you have an additional covered porch slash mudroom, so you can customize this as well. We'll come out right here. So it's nice to have multiple entrances, and then it's nice that they're covered as well. So again, this is another view of the yard. It's really beautiful front yard. All right, so over here is the main floor bedroom, or it could be flex space as well, as however you want to choose. Upstairs, you have 2 good-sized bedrooms, so you can use it as a main floor master, or you could use it as flex space, however you so choose. What's really nice about this bedroom here is that you have a walk-in closet. What's nice about this bedroom as well, there's 2 entrances to this bathroom right here, so you could have direct access if you so choose to make this a bedroom. Got the hardwood floors, which is awesome. Got a great sink here. You got a walk-in shower right here. It's an awesome feature. And you got your restroom here. You have a linen closet right here. It's fantastic for a farmhouse. It's not very common that you have 2 bathrooms. You have one on the main floor, one on the second floor. Now we'll progress to this amazing family room. This room is huge, as you'll see. You have a nice warm, it really warms up and makes this room cozy to have the fireplace right here. Off of the family room, you have direct access to the back, to one of the views of the backyard. Again, it's over 3 acres. Then additionally, you have a really nice oversized 1-stall shed as well for additional storage. While we're here, I want to highlight you have a radon mitigation system, and then the furnace and AC are newer as well, so great to have. And then you have vinyl and metal siding throughout, so it's clutch to have this on the farmhouse here. All right, so now we'll progress to the second floor. Upstairs, you'll see that there's 2 bedrooms and a full bath. You have bedroom 1 right here, and you have 2 closets. Closet 1, oversized, very customizable down the road if you want to, but it's a nice walk-in closet. Then closet 2, you can customize that even more. So you don't really need, it's a little bit of a smaller bedroom, but you don't need any of your furniture because you got 2 walk-in closets. Progress to bed 2, this is much bigger than the other bedroom. As you can see, you got fan, which is big time, and then you got a walk-in closet as well. This is kind of a cool feature here. If you put your bed right here, you have a nice, just a nice customized feature there. So All right, what's awesome again about this farmhouse is that you got 2 bathrooms and then you got original hardwoods in here as well. So yeah, obviously your toilet there, but then additionally you have some additional storage here. A lot of these farmhouses, they're pretty tight in space, but this is an oversized 3-bed farmhouse with lots of storage throughout. So it's nearly 2,300 square feet finish.